In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Crypto app on your device. And at this point, I do want to apologize in advance if the screen does go blank. It's just when you're recording your screen, when you put your password in, it does blank out the screen for security reasons. So once you've logged in, you'll first be taken to your dashboard, which is going to look like this. From here, if you look at the bottom of the page, you're going to see some options. And if you click onto the picture of the wallet, which says accounts, that's going to take you across to your wallets. So if you do have any crypto, what you're going to want to do first is sell your crypto. As you cannot withdraw cryptocurrency directly to your bank, you're going to want to sell this for fiat, which basically relates to currency. So what you would do is come into your crypto wallet and then you want to click on the sell button at the top to sell any crypto that you have available. So if you have like Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that, you can go ahead and sell your crypto from here. So once that's done, come out of your crypto wallet and what you should now see is a balance in your fiat wallet. So if you now come into your fiat wallet, you can now withdraw the funds to your account, so you can withdraw the money. All you need to do is come into your fiat wallet and you're going to see the option to transfer up here. Go ahead and press onto that, and then all you want to do is press onto withdraw. Now I've not currently verified my bank account, so it's going to come up with an option because what you need to do first is deposit funds into this account to, of course, verify your bank. Once you've gone ahead and done that and you've deposited money in your local currency, you can then go ahead and withdraw any money from crypto into that account. So that does bring us to the end of this tutorial today on how to withdraw money from your Crypto.com account. I hope this did help you out, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop down below the video, leave a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.